an habit. We develop a system of ourselves, and we go on doing the same things in the same manner, in the same style. And it becomes somewhat, we can say, cyclostyle. Every day we operate the computers in the same way, we make the setup in the same way, and in the by the passage of time we forget something. We don't make an experiment, we don't want to do something new, and there our progress stops, or it takes a pause, which is not good for our career, our development as a personality. So, to refresh ourselves, to make more efficient, to make more productive, and to become more happy, such training sessions are important. Secondly, you all are coming together. You will be sharing a quality time with your friends, colleagues. So, enjoy that feeling. Be a student. Whenever you enter this classroom, forget you are a PA, forget you are holding any post. Become a student, enjoy childhood. This is the great and best time you will be having. So, this is the second benefit you will be getting. And third benefit, which is most important, that we are enhancing our qualities. We have arranged for the language, lectures on language, English language, grammar particularly. And then retired PS Mr. Nair will be coming to you for improvising your shorthand skills. And we are fortunate to have the legend in the computer science with us, Mr. Yashwant Goswami, my friend, a towering personality in the field, and really, he needs no introduction. So, without taking more time of you, I just switch to Mr. Goswami and request him to start his session and to just enlighten us, including myself. Thank you.
Very good morning to all. Thank you, Navandar sir, for such overwhelming introduction. But tell me whether my medium of instruction should be what? Everybody is comfortable? Okay, fine. How many of you are new to the court, or all are existing working PA or PS? No new induction batch is there. Am I right? Okay, fine. So who is of the 2022 batch? All are 22. So, okay, then we shall start. On the keyboard, abutting your space bar, there is an Alt key. Correct? Then how do we write the rupee sign? how do we write rupee sign? Nobody knows. Okay, fine. So this is beginning. Okay. Ensure that, see here, UK and US. Correct? What is this? UK and US. For dollar, we need English India. For rupee sign, we need English India. So how to get here? Okay. Space bar, both alt keys, and to the left alt key, what is that key? To the left side of your keyboard, you are all PAPS. Imagine a keyboard, space, left side alt key, and no, that is called as super key. Okay. Many call it as Win key or many call it as super key. But probably Win key is a proprietary name, therefore we call it as super key. So press super key. So here I press the super key. I say type language. Right? And here I get languages. Here only English is mentioned. Correct? So I need to install Marathi. Take it out. This is what it is. LMN नाही दिसत आहे का मराठी? आहे. आहे. आपण म्हटलं अप्लाय. Okay. Now we need to add keyboards. So again we go to super key and we will type keyboard. And here we are. Now what we will do, we will add English India. Did you get it somewhere? HI. What it is written? Correct. And in Marathi, we need to add this iTrans M17N. Are you able to see on the screen? Okay, I have added it. And now see the wonders. Now I get English India here. To the right hand Alt key, what we call it as greater Alt. Correct? Alt GR. So I press Alt and then dollar. Okay. So never write RS dot because we have abandoned that practice. Reserve Bank of India and Government of India has officially given this international symbol to our rupee. Okay, now you come to know that this is what it is. Now, what if I do not know Marathi typing and I have to type certain thing? So what generally I do is, those who know this Marathi Godrej is for them. And those who do not know, this is for these people. Now I say, I am typing English. आज मला खूप आनंद होत आहे. So this is what it is. The typing instructions are AAJ, again A because it MALAA KH capital U P A AN AAN capital M D HOTA AAHE. Full stop. So this is what it is. Okay. This was, but ensure that your default language is always English US. Because most of the softwares, its calendar pattern, its time pattern, everything is based on US design. And many programmers do not assume that somebody in India is actually using it for their own purposes. They assume that somebody has already selected English US as their default language. Therefore, our default language by and large should be English US. Whenever requirement is there, we can shift. So how do we shift the language? Control space, 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 space. Control space, and you are shifting among them. Correct? सोपा है ना? Okay. Okay. We will start from basics. What is the national ports of the courts? What is the national portal of the courts? District courts. Let's start. Anybody, 1.5 year you have put in the High Court, so you must be aware of it. Okay, that's fair enough. Good, good. Some more tries. I want. Failure is the first step towards success. Try it out. Yes. What it is? What is that? Yes. Huh? Okay. District courts. ecourts.gov.in. This is national portal for all the district and taluka courts in India. So what about high courts? What is the national portal for the high courts? hcservices.ecourts.gov.in. HC services तर तुम्हाला काय फायदा आहे? What is the benefit to you? Many a times you see that on official website of the Bombay High Court, some order is not replicated, whereas order is already replicated on National Judicial Data Grid. So for checking that purposes, you need this. Let us take a case that here you have got Bombay High Court. You have to select benches. Let us set appellate side. Then I come to the case number. Then I say writ petition. I say 121 of 2023. I enter CAPTCHA 7D82CN. I click go. Okay, CALVGK. Click go. And You get case here. All those your orders are also can be viewed here. Act sections, etc. available. So this is HC services. Now come to E-code services. What is there in E-code services? These are High Court services. Just now we saw. This is High Court NJDG. Now, what is the difference between National Judicial Data Grid and this HC services? Why do we have different sites? See, National Judicial Data Grid provides you the statistical information, whereas HC services provides you the case related information. This is the basic difference between two. Let us go to Bombay High Court again. And these are the figures of Bombay High Court. 5-year-old, 10-year-old, 20-year-old, 30-year-old, writ petitions, second appeal, first appeal, cases filed by women, cases by senior citizen, cases instituted and cases disposed of. See, this is our position. 9,783 cases were filed of civil, 3,462 are criminal, total are 14,050 in a 1 month. Whereas how many are we disposing? So there is a difference of 5,000 cases each month. And this is how we are increasing the pendency. There are tabs. I have gone to this tab, pending dashboard. What it says, say I went on orange. Orange is what? So writ petitions. In writ petitions, what is the position? Regular writ petitions are that much. Original side writ petitions, execution, service matters, PIL, second appeal. First appeal. Normal appeals. Revisions, reference, suits, and applications. So what is the major pendency with us? And what is the second largest pendency? What is this or this? It's first appeal. Percentage wise 12.71. And then applications. So this is how we got civil pendency. Now let's shift to criminal pendency. So what is the heaviest pendency for criminal appeal? Criminal appeals are the highest pendency in criminal side, 43%. We can see both? Yes, we can see both. Okay, this is how it is. Now, this is age-wise chart. Now, I wish to know about 30 years. So I take my mouse here and it tells me that the oldest case belongs to. Now I wish to check of what? let's say election and 2023 for, let's say, arbitration. This is arbitration. Motor accident claims. Again, for everything, it is dividing into 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, etc. Now, this is stage-wise pendency. Maximum matters are pending on the stage of admission, then orders, then hearing, then final hearing steps, compliances, issues, etc., etc. This is the chart of institution and disposal. Let us take 2023 as year. What it says, 1,28,000 or 12,80,717 is pendency. On disposal is 12,17,536. Have we selected Bombay High Court? No. That is why. Now, Bombay High Court, you will see 2023. 1,19,222. 91,548 is disposal. And it never touches each other. And now you will see, we will see about writ petitions. The gap is even wider because we are not meeting the expectations for writ petitions. Therefore, gap is wider. But if we check to criminals and if we check it is not shifting. Okay, be that as it may, this is institution versus disposal. Let us check about criminal matters. The criminal matters are, let's say, writ petitions. The behavior of the civil writ petition does not match with the criminal writ petition. Criminal writ petition get disposed very early and their disposal is faster also. Similarly, we have here disposed dashboard. You get how many writs are disposed, first appeals are disposed, second appeals are disposed. Similarly, age-wise disposal. The maximum disposal High Court disposes is of what? 0 to 3 years. And minimum we dispose is about 10 years. So what is the maximum category in both? Have we selected Bombay High Court? See the percentage wise. This is 19%. And this is so very out of 100 cases, 20 cases are being allowed. This is our percentage where we allow certain cases. So this is what here you will see. Let us take second appeal. Now tell me the highest percentage. So 21% of the second appeal get disposed in 1 to 2 years.
लॉगिन केलेलं आहे स्क्रीन शेअर
Hello, hello. Okay. So this is what it is. You understood what statistical database is, and we found out one case from High Court Services. What now you will find that on every national judicial data grid, when we go to home, okay, now this is better. What user होगा? Okay. Now, if we type NJDG on Google, what we get is District Court National Judicial Data Grid. Where we will get link for and High Court NJDG both. So whenever you require something, first website, everything relates to District Court. Bottom one. Upper one, everything relates to. Now, this is e-filing portal, this is payment portal, and these are virtual courts. Virtual courts are traffic challan courts where you get a message and you pay something. Correct? This pay.ecourts.gov.in again. Pay.ecourts.gov.in. Let's take judicial deposit. Let's take High Court. I want to take case number. And you will see only Bombay High Court is there. We are the only one. Establishment is appellate side. Let me take writ petition. Writ petition criminal, I will say 132 of 2023 and I click go. You will find that parties are automatically fetched. Let's assume for a moment that what he wants to pay. For a moment, maintenance, say 100 rupees. Tell me any mobile number. Why are you shy of disclosing a mobile number? Yes, please. 9970739808. Let's say I click, I agree, and I say generate OTP. Have you received OTP? Yes. So this is how it operates. Fine. Pay.ecourts.gov.in. Our e-filing is e-filing-mh.ecourts.gov.in. This is our e-filing portal. So these are your basic portals from where you need to extract official information. What about judgments? Where do you search judgments? नाही होते काही एस टाकून बघूया एस टाकून correct. This is what it is. EHCR. Let us type position. I got these many positions. Let us take hostile position. And 840030. And I take search. And what you get You also get Marathi judgments here, the translated copies. You also get English judgment here. The moment I click, official record, where you should rely, not on India Kanun. On India Kanun, you will find that many letters are what I should do, most volatile site to rely on, most volatile, because the technology on which it works is not exactly reliable, because many times some lines are missing, many times some words are missing. Yes. So this is where you should rely. Now, what about high courts? Yes. High courts. Again, same. Let us type first degree murder. And I will have to hit enter. No. I will have to cross these. Yes, now first degree murder. And where we should be concerned with? Now, which judge you want? This is how it operates. So which year you want? Let us say 2020. This is how you go by filtering. You can filter by judge, you can filter by year, you can filter by court. Official sites. Okay, fine. This 1 hour is very less for me to take you through this. Be that as it may. So there is an application called Recoll. Write it down. RECOLL. So what it does actually, again, I am pressing super key. I am typing Recoll.
Morning. All the dignitaries and invitees are requested not to clear the ceremony in the sovereign function. You are also requested to switch on your mobile.
कुठला तरी व्हिडिओ लागलाय जुनं. तर तो चांदवानी साहेबांचा आवाज होता. Okay, be that as it may. So I type say decision, and what I get? I get everything written in that particular file, not only name of the file. Many a times it happens that, oh, I wrote something about in which judgment I'm not remembering, but it was case of something Nilkant, and you type Nilkant and bang, it is there. So recall is important because other applications do not search within the contents of the file. So what you should do, basically, there are preferences where which particular folder should be taken. These preferences you can always edit. Keep searchable folders of your all documents and whatever material you want to search. Keep that only in index.
Comment. ceremony. And seek your lordship permission to read out the notification and authorization.
So you can always configure this and the moment I type lordship, this is what it is. It is taking text and it is very fast, because it already indexes the entire data and produces the result. Not at the time of when you search, it already indexes the data. So recall is very important for you. It will save you out of your much efforts of retyping many things. Okay, you understood recall. There is one more application. Let us type again super key. I type PDF. I got here PDF mod. There is a PDF SAM also is there. This is best application for merging and splitting PDF files. Correct? Shall I show you the demo? Okay. This is one. Again, I am adding. In downloads, I must have this. This is another two. This is three. This is four. Four PDF files. I have taken one after other. Correct? What if I missed? Correct? So I can change. Okay. Add a blank page. Then retain bookmarks. Table of contents you can generate. Then where it should be? Okay, we will configure it. We will keep it on desktop. What is the name? Name is PAPS. Okay. I click save. Selected file. Okay, completed. I got message here. You saw it? So where we should go? Okay, desktop. How do you go to desktop? This. All files are taken together. Correct? Similarly, you can split also. Split in equal 3 parts, split in uneven 4 parts, whatever you want. PDF SAM, PDF mod. These are important tools and these are free. Okay. Coming to the next tool, which I should talk about is let us say, which one was it? Recall, we already got it. Basic folder management, I should also talk about. Just try to be a vigilant user. Watch your screen, most of the things you will get. Okay, search is already here. Here also you will find that it has searched by text of the file. District judge by nomination is mentioned in this file. Okay. Okay. Then these are the views. See what are the parameters. You can sort the file by you can reduce the view if you want. You can increase the view if you want. I am reducing. Okay. Now this. What it says. Many a times it happens that you have to transfer files from X folder to Y folder. And then we do whatever world techniques we have, but simple techniques are here. Let us say a home folder is here, and I wish to open download. So I right click download and now I can shift the files from documents to as simple as that. The things are easy, things are there, but we never pay attention. We got file, this, which we took from here back. At the same time, we have facilities like move to, select where you want to move, okay, or copy to. What is difference between move to and copy to? Because copy to will not shift the file from its original location, but move to will shift the file from original location. Then many a times we have to create, let me come to downloads. Okay, yes, but let us create one folder. Okay, I have created. Then what if I want to select multiple files? How do you select it? Correct. Control, by clicking control. So I selected these files, 3 files. I took it and I shifted to PAPS. Now I want to make a zip or tar file of this for sending it through mail, because you cannot attach a folder in the mail. So we right click on it and hit. And it is converting into zip. This you can attach to the mail for attaching a folder, correct? Now, generally keep a habit that all your important folders are star marked. How do we do it? Right click and star so that it appears here. And all star marked folders should be fed to recall so that your clutter and your garbage is not searched, only important files are searched. Simple techniques are there. These are not, this is not a rocket science. Here, add folder, here, add tab. See, third tab. Again, fourth tab. Okay, you got me? Or why it is opening download only? Because we are in download folders. Let us say document folder, and then if I add, it is now creating documents. Okay, are we together? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now coming to the most important part. Of our word processor. What do we do? First, ensure that tools, options, and mention your name. Because you may not know, but this data travels wherever file goes and a normal user cannot delete it. Normal user cannot delete it. It's a metadata with the file. So never to forget. एकाचं नाव सांगा कोणाचं तरी. चैतन्य. जाधव. आणि आपण ऑर्गनायझेशन न चुकता टाकायची. अपिलेट साइड असेल अपिलेट साइड, ओरिजिनल साइड असेल ओरिजिनल साइड. ओके, this is very important because now every file created in this will go with Chaitanya Jadhav hidden behind the file. Even a user who works on your file, if he is smart only, then only he can change it. Otherwise, a normal user cannot change it. Okay, so far so good. What if I started working on the file, I typed for about 15 minutes, and suddenly something happens and file goes. It happens. It happens. So how do we come out of this? The option is tools, options, correct? Load and save. General. What it says? Recovery time, what? 1 minute. Always create a backup copy should be selected. तुमच्या प्रत्येक कोर्टातल्या पीसी ला जाऊन हे जर चेक नसेल तर तुम्हाला कधीच मिळणार नाही ती फाईल. By default, it is not checked. So, first thing you will do when you will go to your office, open your PC and create always backup copy. Now, let us say we start typing something. I saved file with Chaitanya. And then I again okay. Now go to tools, go to options. Here LibreOffice is there. Here paths are there. And this is correct. So backup path is home/ubuntu/config/LibreOffice/4/user/backup. So let us check. So go to folders. We come to home. And our this is ubuntu.config is not appearing here. How do we do it? So hit Control H. Hidden files are open. Hit Control H. Now you will find .config is there. .config, then Libre. Is it there? Just type L and you will find that LibreOffice is there. 4 is there. User is there. And Chaitanya is already here. And now we will open. We will close this so that backup is open. Remember that this file will appear as many a times as a dot back. Now, correct? So your file, now we will do one thing because it may create a confusion in your mind. Because already this file is there. Where is it? Save as. Where is it? Documents मध्ये Chaitanya ODT आहे. ठीक है ना? We will do in documents. Go in documents. This is Chaitanya ODT. Shift delete. What we are doing? Okay. I deleted the file. Now let us go to that home.config. Then HIJKL, LibreOffice, 4, user, and most important thing, correct? Okay. I have to prioritize the thing because I have to squeeze the entire topic in 1 hour session and I have already crossed that limit. So be that as it may, unless the next user comes, next faculty comes, I shall continue. I alit nothing. Huh? Okay. 5 minutes. I shall take 5 minutes. See, you will find that here grammar is being checked. But in your computer, grammar is not checked. Why? Because tools, extension manager, and language tools is not enabled by you. You will have to insert this, click add, call Rajendra from the computer section and ask him to enable the language tool. Correct? This will check your grammar. Okay. Now let me open some better file so that all are .deb documents. Okay. I shall copy certain data. It's our habit to hit enters unnecessarily on a word processor. And it has to be stopped by cursing your mind. See, I shall create certain paragraphs. Selected, right click, paragraph, and just below the paragraph distance, 20 centimeter. Okay. So this will create your document even. Let us check this. Two things I have to tell you, and I will stop. See this paragraph. You often require it. प्रत्येक वेळी तुम्हाला हा लागतोच लागतो. So how do we do it? Then go to format. Just wait. Go to tools. Go to auto text. Correct? Then I type Chaitanya. And here I shall mention new. Auto text la new म्हटलं मी. New म्हटलं. Then I hit close. Now next time I hit C. I hit C and then I hit F3. Okay. Last thing. जसं की इथे मी लिहितो बॉम्ब असं लिहिलं मी in the court in the High Court of Judicature of Bombay, writ petition number 123 of 2024. हा तुमचा फॉर्मॅट आहे नेहमीचा. ओके. इथे जा फाईलला. इथे आहेत टेम्पलेट्स. सेव्ह एज टेम्पलेट म्हणा आणि म्हणा रेग्युलर कॉज टायटल. याला म्हणा सेट एज डिफॉल्ट जर तुम्हाला हे नेहमीच लागत असेल तर. ठीक आहे. मी म्हटलं त्याला मी त्याला माय टेम्पलेट्स मध्ये सेव्ह करून घेतलं आणि म्हटलं सेव्ह. नाउ मी जेव्हा आता पुन्हा वर्ड ओपन करेल हे बंद करतो मी. करेक्ट. म्हणजे तुम्हाला पुन्हा सारखं सारखं इकडचं कॉपी कर तिकडे ठेव तुमचा फॉर्मॅट हा नेहमी तोच ओपन होईल जोपर्यंत तुम्ही टेम्पलेट चेंज करत नाही तोपर्यंत. ओके. So this is what from my side. Thank you guys. I enjoyed the session.